Mnangagwa tightens grip as ZANU-PF factional war boils over. Factionalism has long been a defining feature of Zimbabwean politics, particularly with the ruling party, ZANU-PF. From the liberation struggle era to the post-independence decades, internal rivalries have shaped leadership transitions, policy directions, and the party's cohesion. Sarapina mashoko kudanyo panguva ino tunachipo musaruro anobatira pamusoro pechaos iri kuitika the ruling party. Do subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tiendera mberi mudanyira chiti Zimbabwe navigates the Second Republic under President Emerson Mnangagwa. Those tensions remain, but the balance of power is shifting. Recent developments suggest that factional disputes are intensifying, with the rival camps competing for influence in anticipation of future leadership contests. Yet, amid this turbulence, Mnangagwa has moved decisively to consolidate his authority, but insiders point to several strategies. Number 1. Centralizing decision-making within the highest organs of ZANU-PF. Number 2. Reasserting control over provincial structures to minimize dissent. Number 3. Positioning loyalists in key government and party roles. Number 4. Framing Vision 2030 as a unifying agenda that transcends factional divides. This tightening grip is not accidental. It reflects Mnangagwa's determination to ensure that factionalism does not derail the party's broader political and economic objectives. The consolidation of power has two major implications. 1. Stability versus suppression. On the other hand, Mnangagwa's control may stabilize ZANU-PF, preventing internal chaos from spilling into national governance. On the other, it risks suppressing dissent voices, narrowing the space for internal debate. Number 2. Vision 2030 continuity. By neutralizing factional threats, Mnangagwa strengthens his ability to push forward with the Vision 2030 agenda, which aims to transform Zimbabwe into an upper-middle income economy. Factional wars are not new, but the stakes are higher now. Zimbabwe faces pressing challenges: economic recovery, international re-engagement, and social stability. For Mnangagwa, projecting unity within ZANU-PF is essential to maintaining legitimacy both at home and abroad. Factionalism thrives on division, but leadership thrives on control. Mnangagwa is choosing the latter. ZANU-PF's factional battles boil over. Mnangagwa's tightening grips signals a deliberate strategy to consolidate power, project stability, and ensure that the party remains the central pillar of Zimbabwe's political future. Toma developments aripo pina comment section medu za fungura imo tuliva msobe chitu page. So subscribe or like, hit on the bell icon.